Hello guys, I have a surprise for you. Come follow me.
Yeah, Mok took a turtle in a hand. Oh, nice. See, very nice.
Ow, ow, ow.
What?
That turtle is pushing my hair. Finger.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Such a heavy rabbit.
What is it? Oh my God.
Oh my god.
See how big it is. How big it is. He is walking. I think he eat food and he is walking. Such a big, huh? No, he is scratching his body because he has itching. Correct? Yeah. You can hear a sound. Yeah, I don't know you are able to hear in a video, but it's too loud sound. Like that. Don't make sound. Everyone is sleeping here. Guys, don't make sound, otherwise they will wake up and jump on a Mox. Mox is scared. Looks like Mox too much scared. Let them sleep. Don't disturb. Guys, whenever these animals are sleeping, don't make any sound. Let them sleep. Don't try to wake up them. I don't think so it is chimpanzee. Eating bear.
So bad.
I think he's hungry. Want to eat food. Whoa! Try to jump.
He is not.
I'm sorry, we don't have any food. Or we can't give you any food because they said no to us. Don't give any food, guys. Because they don't eat our foods. Let them eat their food.
Yeah.
Because our food will make them sick. Correct, Mox? If you give the burger or anything, it is very black. Yeah, now you can see, I guess. So this is a big black cat, and he is staring on me. I guess he will not jump on me.
Wait.
Oh my God! There is a sound coming. Well, here inside you can see. Yeah, cheetah. He is still sleeping. We came here at 10, but this animal are still sleeping. Let them sleep. We are not trying to disturb them. Here there is a 2 tiger, I guess.
3.
Yeah, 3. The one here and one inside, and there is a one more also inside.
And see that wake up, the one that wake up.
It's nice. Mokshu, you like this animal? You like this zoo, na? very big.
Yeah. Maybe it is old.
Yeah, it is very big. Right, Mox?
Now, let's go to that cave.
Yeah, we will go to this caves. There are a lot of places here. And
Some animals are sleeping, some animals are waking up. Because, yeah.
it's very big lion. There are two lions. The one is here and the one is here.
Yeah, it is a
I think this is a male. Mox, this is a male lion.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is a female lion.
Daddy lion, this is a mummy lion.
And where are their son?
I don't know.
Son or daughter?
Son, they don't have.
Okay.
And they have white eyes.
Yeah, very nice. But they are sitting very quietly.
Because
Let's go to closer to this one and see the face. It's very big. You can see, guys. It looks very big and healthy. I think they are giving very good, nice food to them.
yeah,
Yes, Mom.
now plants are carnivore. They only eat meat.
Yeah, they only meat. Correct.
They, in the forest, without the king, they run and kill animals and eat.
Yeah. They eat only meat. Correct. So if they eat only meat, then we call carnivore.
Carnivore.
Yeah.
And herbivore.
Let's go to this white horse.
And this herbivore is this horse. He's eating grass.
Yeah, this is a herbivore.
Carnivore eats both.
Yeah, because this horse eating the grass. Correct, Mox?
Like a bear eats both.
Hmm. Let's go. The real elephant. Let me show you. Yeah. Oh, this is not a real.
Yeah, just like
Yeah. This is nice place, guys. You can see it is surrounded with grass, greenery, tree. Good place to visit with the kids. There is a artificial lake also here. And now we are going to these caves. I guess this caves is just only for the decoration. You cannot go inside. Because there is a water artificial caves. And you can see the lake. Correct, Mox?
they cannot take the slowly one.
Hmm.
Now let's go there.
They can slowly dig. Correct?
Yeah, we can take up this fast. We can the turtle has oh. You hear the turtle and the heart story?
Hmm. I think they are still opening some places. This is still not open.
This
What is this?
alright.
RX. Yeah.
Let's see. What is this?
And what are this? This. And these are the donkey. And these are the small horse. Let's go closer and see. These are the donkey. How many donkey wants? One, two,
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
five.
5 donkeys.
Oh my god. Here see. Oh. Again the big lion. He is breathing very faster.
It's a lion or no?
What is saying, Mox?
I think that lion was a ninja lion. that's why he was cut the table.
Yeah. And here it is, see? He's coming closer to us.
Very good.
Hello, big tiger.
Are you walking?
Yeah, he's walking and scratching his body.
He's scratching. No, he's just walking. Maybe
he's
he just eat food now.
Yes. And the other one is sleeping always.
Yeah. He just eat food and
This is a Papa and this is a Mox. Mox want to always sleep and Papa always want to walk.
Yeah. No. Papa always wanted to sleep and work always want to work. See?
And here the mama sitting in the water.
No, that is Mama. Wait.
One more lion. There are too many lions they have.
Yeah. No, tiger.
I guess 13 or 14 lion they have. Sorry, tiger.
Yeah.
The two here sleeping before we see two. But mostly the lion they bring. Yeah.
And here are 5 oranges.
The other lion is sleeping. See again the lion. These are the lions from different place, I guess. Their look is different. Mox. Just don't go close. What are you doing?
That. Maybe he's
We asked Chimpanzee to come out to our body so we can hold him, but he is playing, you can see. So he will not come. And see, he's showing their back to us. He is not interested in us. He want to play like a mouse. When he want to play, means play.
You have to play like me.
Yeah. So now he's showing back to us because we are taking the video. Okay, bye. This person to give the apple. So Mox, he allowed. And now he come to Mox and giving the apple. Mox giving him apple. Very nice. Yeah, hold on. It's okay, Mox, go. No problem. He will play with you. Yeah, he will play with you. No, go stand up. Yeah, stand up. He want to play with you. Because you give him apple and now he's your friend. See, holding. Yeah, it's okay. Slowly go. Don't scared. Nice, sir. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. He's holding you. Nice. Because he is your friend now. You give him apple, na? Don't scared. Sit. Just he's playing with you. Oh my God. Just sit. It's okay. Oh. He's very naughty, huh?
Yeah,
He's holding his legs also. He's okay, Mox, stand there. He's holding his legs. No, don't pull. He will not hit you. See, he's eating your apple, how? He thought you are his friend. Hold your, give me. Say hi to him. Go shake hand. See, whenever you come, he want to come with you.
What are you doing?
Bubba. See. It's okay. Bubba. You want cap? Okay, give him cap. Let him wear. Yeah, see, he's wearing. Oh my God. Oh! My God.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Bye, Abuba.
What are those?
Don't go closer.
What are those guys?
See, guys, cheetah. The one is sitting here, just he sit when we came, and the second one is sitting here. The first one was playing, and now he sit. Maybe he tired.
Yeah. And that first the one sitting like
He's very slim, so he can run faster. Guys, this is a big snack.
yeah. But
Mox will take into his hand.
no.
Yeah.
No, guys.
Take Mox.
They have food. They